Shocking turn of events in downtown Kingston. Four individuals charged under the Firearms Act in Kingston. Two doctors, one from US, one from UK, a nurse and a higgler. Now, the story of the young doctors and the nurse, it really shows how the choices they make can lead to deep disappointment and disgrace for them families. After all the hard work, sacrifices, and long years of study, them end up in a mess that could destroy not just them own lives, but them respected professions too. Picture this. Antuan Latchman, the medical student from London, him put in the hours, studied long and hard to reach this point. His family must celebrate when him get into medical school, full of hope and pride, feeling like them produce a future healer. But now to find out him involved in a gun charge that wash away all the pride in just one go, just like that. Them family must have feel like him betray them. Now, then you have Javid Johnson, the doctor from New York, Mount Vernon, New York. Forget the title of doctor. Take years and dedication, sleepless nights, and financial investment. Him family and friends must have hold him to a high standard, expecting him to be a beacon, a light in the community. Now him find himself in a situation where could lead to jail time. The shock, a disgrace must be unbearable feeling, like them dreams falling apart. Them see him not just as disappointment, but someone who potentially could destroy the trust and the community that the community have in doctors. Now, Shaday Rampassard, the nurse, supposed to be the embodiment of care and compassion. Nurses are the backbone of the healthcare system, and her family must admire her path. But to see her name linked to such a scandal, it stained not just her reputation, but the entire profession. They must have wondered how she could let them down so deeply after putting in the work to become who she is. Akeem Sang, the higgler, might not be in the same field, but still face the consequences. People in the community look up to a doctor or nurse, and if them involved in illegal activities, it reflects back upon everybody. The disgrace reaches far and wide, feeling like a dark cloud over the family name. Now, the potential for jail time, that's heavy burden. They might have to face long sentences, and that would mean them throw away all the hard work and dedication after years of studying to help people. They end up in situations where they might be viewed as criminals, sending a message that even the most respected professional can fall when individuals give in to temptation. This whole saga raises serious questions about accountability and the moral responsibility that come with being in such esteemed positions. Families find themselves heartbroken, feeling ashamed and disillusioned. As the community grapple with the reality, the hope is that them young ones learn a valuable lesson from this experience. It's sad how one bad choice can overshadow all the good, destroying not just them careers, but the trust of everyone who believe in them. In the end, as them face the music, the road to redemption won't be easy. This a hard lesson about how action shape destinies and how respect earned in years can be lost just in a moment.